Hello everyone and welcome to this new market update. So today's video is going to be about the Eurocad pair. Okay, so why did I choose this pair? Because there are many others, but I think that a price is moving quite smoothly, and this is one of these pairs that would have an easier to trade phases with not many weeks like that. So price making making moves that are there just to fake out the direction and then take out your stop losses, etc. So it's smoother, as you can see. It's smoother. It has not that many wicks, and it usually would respect levels of support and resistance. Anyways, so let's get going. I'm going to use the 1 hour because I'm going first to show you something on this 4 hour. Okay, I'm just going to show you something. This is very interesting because right now where we are right now, we are doing a big correction here, which is very interesting, because we can have a potential potential move higher, but not right now. You have to wait. You have still to wait. Okay, you still have to wait because it's not complete. So we might have we might have here a move that you still have a move that could even close a little bit lower here, which would correspond to this zone, which is a big resistance zone, where price has been struggling to go higher, which would play the role of support. Okay, so just to get a quick just to get a quick let's get a quick confirmation using Fibonacci extensions. Let's do it very fast because we might have interesting levels showing materializing using Fibonacci extension levels. So we'll do it like this. We'll use Fibonacci extension levels, and we use also the regular retracements. Okay, so let's have a look at how things might look. So I'm doing this. I'm doing this update live, and I'm doing it I'm thinking out loud. Okay, so as you can see, this level is the 38. It's not the 38. I'm going to use the real one because this is an extension. Okay, so since this is this is not an extension, this is a correction. Okay, retracement, not an extension. So let's do it like this, so we have the right levels. So as you can see, I've drawn what I've drawn here has is right at the 38, 61.8, which is the golden level. Okay, golden golden ratio. And as you can see, at the golden ratio, you have a big a big reaction of price. Price did struggle before it was able to go higher. So what I would expect if price stays above this area, I would expect price to continue higher. Okay, so I would expect price to basically continue higher and push higher as soon as it completes this corrective move. Of course, this corrective move would have several corrections here, but what I would expect is that for each correction you'll have an opportunity to sell the market. Okay, let me show you 1 hour. Let me do the 1 hour. Okay, or the 1 hour, what the 1 hour is showing us that price might be, you know, like reversing, because we have a small, like we have a small, you know, like reversal pattern, right? But even though we have this small reversal pattern, what could happen is that we break, you know, like this level. So if we break if we break this level, this time it's going to be, you know, like the right time, you know, like to sell. Okay, so if tomorrow it happens, you sell. I mean, you have an opportunity to sell. On the other hand, if we are going to correct even, you know, like much deeper, because we had, you know, like a strong move down, so maybe price wants to have, you know, like an even, you know, like deeper correction. In this case you should look for an entry point as soon as, let me draw it, as soon as price breaks this level and comes back, tests this level, and then goes. Okay, so it needs to do a zigzag, or some kind of a zigzag, as soon as it breaks this level, and then it should close, you know, like above or from the other side of, you know, like the trend line, so you can buy. Okay, so you have these two scenarios, but most likely price is going to go and revisit, you know, like this low. Okay, so it's going to revisit this low, and it's going, you know, like to hit the 61.8% of Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video among your friends on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, wherever you want to share it. And this is the only channel where you'll find, you know, like 5 in-depth, you know, like market reviews per day, including weekends. Okay, thank you.